Welcome to another product review. Today we are going to be putting two products to the test. We're going to be putting the Pink Stuff Miracle Paste, and I am actually going to be making up my own paste with baking soda and some Dawn dish detergent. So let's see which one works better on getting uh, the starch off of the cooktop stove. It's noodles that was spilt over onto the stove, so it's a different cleanup than grease. So let's see if these two products can actually take that starch off of the cooktop stove. With that said, let's get started.
So I've never made this cleaning paste before, so I wanted to try it out for myself. I see it online with a lot of people creating their paste and they absolutely love it. So I wanted to make this paste for myself to see how I would like it. As a professional cleaner, I just normally would not ever make my own cleaning products, but I wanted to compare this with the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaner paste to see which one actually worked the best for you watching this video. That way you know if the DIY is more worth you doing or the Pink Stuff is worth the money. So, and I also put a hot towel over top of that burner because I also seen that was supposed to help bring off the food as well. So we're going to be letting both cleaners sit for like 10 minutes and then do the scrubbing on them, and let's see how this Pink Stuff actually works on this cooktop stove. Now I have used this Pink Stuff before on my glass oven door, and you know, if you haven't seen that video, go check it out for yourself and let me know what you think about this Pink Stuff. And I also did another video on the cooktop stove as well with two other cleaners. So go check that video out too if you have not checked either video out, and let me know what you think about either product on this stove, and I will tell you my final thoughts at the end of this video and let you know which one I thought worked better than the other. So this is what this channel is about, is product reviews and me giving my honest opinion as a professional cleaner. Would I use it in my clients' homes or my home anymore? Will I use either one of these products again? I'll let you know at the end of this video.
Okay, so what did I think about the Dawn and the baking soda and the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaner? Well, this was my first time ever making the Dawn and the baking soda, and I was not a big fan of that. The Pink Stuff did do a better job on the cooktop stove this time. I'm not a big fan of the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaners, but it did do a slightly of a better job than the Dawn and the baking soda. So let me know in the comments which one you thought did a better job on my cooktop stove. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up. That lets me know you want to see more videos like this. If you are watching this video and you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing. That helps my channel grow, and I do really appreciate it. And I hope I see you in the next video.